So here's an easy, quick way to make stovetop macaroni and cheese, and the things you're going to need. You're gonna need macaroni. I'm using the elbows, but you can use shells. 8 ounces of cheddar cheese, or cheese of your choosing. You're gonna need a tablespoon of butter. You're gonna need 1 cup of heavy cream. And salt and pepper for taste. So we got the cooked macaroni. We cook it as the packets will say. We're gonna add the butter. Gonna add the 8 ounces of cheese. Get in there, cheese. Come on, come on. Okay. And of course, the 1 cup of heavy cream. And we're gonna mix it up, obviously. And look at that already. Looks so creamy and delicious. I apologize, I am doing this with one hand. Apologize. But yeah, look at that. Oh, it's so good looking. So creamy and delicious. Let's go ahead and keep stirring it to make sure you mix all the cheese, the cream, and the butter. And there you go. There you have it, guys. A nice bowl of macaroni and cheese, the creamiest you've ever tasted. It's so good. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye.